FSV. This was at GL level, right? Or company code level we had it. This we can have it for, further we can have it at below company code level through document splitting. Today we'll see this. Okay. Then we have something called report as per cost of sales, for which we have functional area. Okay. Clear? Not clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me define first segmental. What is this segmental reporting? Okay. What is the segmental reporting is all about? Okay. Now once we define when the segmental reporting will come into picture. Try to understand this. Okay. If a segment, now what is this segment basically? A segment can be your division, right? Hello?
Hello, Khadir, your voice is very slow.
Okay, now is it clear? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Your segment can be division, product, service center, salesperson, whatever it is. Okay. Can be your product or product line. Okay. Or sales, territory, whatever it can be. Hello?
Yeah.
Is this the same? I think Karthik has gone offline. Yeah, Aparna has joined. Aparna, can you check with Sarath?
Hello?
Sharath, can you check with Sharath, please?
Yeah.
I made you an organizer. Okay. So whichever segment you are seeing here, this segment, okay, is generating 10% of total revenue and 10% of total profit, okay, and which is having 10% of total assets. In that case, you need to do the segmental reporting. In these cases, you need to do segmental reporting. Okay. Okay. So let me define this segment. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here I define segments. So I'll define two segments. New entries. I'll define JMFG, which is for manufacturing segment. Okay, alright, manufacturing segment for J700. I'll have J service. So I'll have a service segment for J700. Two segments. Okay, and these segments are assigned in the profit center master data. Okay, so I have created two segments. Okay, one I have created a service segment and one I have created a manufacturing segment. Okay, now I'll get into profit center so that I can assign the other segment also. Or further you can take from automobile perspective like bike and cars. Okay, once I define the profit center, then I'll show you how the segments can be defined, looked into further into. Okay. Now after defining this segment, I'm going into a profit center. Profit center. Profit center basically we use to generate income statements. Here, here, no, not much. Here, you can have two-dimensional reports. Okay. Now this profit center carries.
Hello.
Hi, Karthik.
Yeah.
What happened, man?
I don't know, when there's some major problem. My connection, my system got hung, then I had to restart.
No, me, Karthik. Karthik?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'll just brief it, man, what I did. Okay.
Okay.
From the new GL perspective, I just started whatever we're looking into. My business requirement asks that I want to reporting as per the gap. Okay, with different currencies. So we looked into multiple ledgers or parallel ledgers. We did already this. Then my business requirement came for segmental reporting. Why do we require a segmental reporting? As per IAS some section 14 and one more is there for IFRS. As per that you do the segmental reporting only in that cases. Your segment is nothing but your division, product line, sales territory, whatever it may be. So when you go for a segmental reporting, when generating 10% of the total revenue on that segment or 10% of the total profit and which 10% of the total assets if you have on that particular segments. Okay. Or in a simple sense you can take in overall profit of the company, 10% of the profit is generating from a particular segment, then you will go for segmental reporting. Is the phrase clear?
Yeah.
But in that, how are you finding the segment then? Like you have it defined as a separate.
Like for example, you are having a product, man. Like you are having a Indica car, Tata Safari, Indigo, right? You are having many products. So you define product at a segment. Now Safari doesn't make much business compared to an Indica. Indica is a very common product for them. That Indica is generating, like in the overall profit that the Tata is generating, in that Indica is generating 10% of the profit. Then
but
you
how are they finding that? Like that's through cost center or
sales,
what?
Sales, when they do the sales, right?
Okay.
Sale.
Okay.
So that is one case. Or that particular segment is having 10% of the total assets. Okay. If you are going by department wise or a territory wise or a line wise, whatever it might be. Okay. That segment we assign it in a profit center. Okay. That I'm looking. We have not yet done on that. Then financial statement we defined at company code level, right?
Yeah.
Now if the requirement comes, they want to go below company code level, then we use document splitting. We have not touched anything on that. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is also, we have not touched anything on this. Report as per cost of sales. Okay. One is past, period and closing. Okay. That is F5 CO reconciliation. Now you don't do any more on this. Okay, it happens automatic. How I'll show you. Okay. Then I went ahead and defined two segments, man, over here.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
One is manufacturing, one is service. Two segments.
Okay.
I just defined new entry. I have defined these two segments. Back. Now I started further. Then I started with a profit center. So through profit center, we are trying to generate income statements. Here basically they are two-dimensional reports. So I was stating over here, just started. Profit center carries revenue and cost. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Cost, how it carries cost? Cost through cost center. Okay. Now, if you take from the material perspective, from logistics perspective, okay, from logistics perspective, profit center is assigned in the material master. Getting this?
Okay.
Through material master. Remember we used to give value, standard price, whatever moving average price, right? The value for the logistics side is collected from the material master. From the finance side, cost center, right? The cost center. Okay, these are the basic things, how the profit center carries value. Okay, now at what level you define the profit center? Now do you want to define profit center as a plant? You can define. You want to define as a product? You can define. You want to define as a region? You can define. Whatever it is. At what level you want to see the reporting? Let's take for example, automobile company. You have an automobile company. Okay. So this automobile company manufactures bikes. Okay. Hello. Cars.
Yeah.
This I will refer as profit center. Okay. Next. For example, I might sell it in Delhi. I might sell it in Mumbai also, right?
Yeah.
This product. Okay. Or wherever. Chennai, whatever. So these are referred as segments. Getting the difference?
So is this the same as business area? Business area earlier
no, they now slowly SAP is getting away from business area. The reason is there are certain places from where I cannot pull the value like business area. Okay. So that is the reason.
So you are saying that on some screens business area is not there, so they are not able to sort of make meaningful information.
Data. Yeah, exactly. Now in our case, our segments are two. In our case, example, manufacturing is one segment, service is one segment. Right. This is what we defined in our. Okay.
Right.
So I'll use over here two profit centers. I'll define one. I define Indica. One I'll define Tata Safari. Clear? This I'll define like this.
So you are saying manufacturing and service, but you are defining it as city, like segment. Are you saying that
whatever you feel like you want to see at this kind of a reporting, you can see, or you feel like from manufacturing and services you want to see this kind of a reporting. I just try to put two different views to see how you can define.
Okay.
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 So what I'll do is segment already defined, so I'll go to the profit center. You need to set the controlling area, J700, right? To the system. Here, maintain controlling area settings here. Okay, the standard hierarchy I'll create direct. Remember how we created in controlling area. Hello. Profit center underscore J700. This is my hierarchy. Eliminate internal business volume. Duplication. If there are any duplication, avoid that. Profit center in local currency. I want to report in the controlling area currency. This. Profit center local currency is also our USD. Do you want to store transaction currency? Yes, I want to store transaction currency. Okay, I'll save it. Activate and save. Done. Data was saved. Back. Okay. Now master data, profit center. Here, define profit center groups. Do you want to define? Yes. Remember this one for grouping. Hello.
Mm.
Lower level. What do we call that, man? Indica comes under what segment? SUV segment is one. Tata Safari
Hatchback.
comes under SUV.
Sedan or hatchback? Hatchback.
Indica comes hatchback. Huh?
Hatchback.
Different name, man, for those cars. Not able to recollect. Let me put it in sedan then. Okay.
Mm.
You got my point, what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hello? I'll group it under like this.
Mm.
Same level. Another one is SUV, right?
Mm.
So yet profit center is not created, so I cannot give anything, right? Hello?
Mm.
So I'll create a profit center here, see. Define a profit center. And one more thing. This is new GL. So in new GL, you don't need to create a dummy profit center. Okay, what is the significance of a dummy profit center? What used to happen earlier, Karthik? Remember, where do we assign the profit center? In the cost center, right?
Yeah.
Slash and KF02. Can you see here this place?
Mm.
We assign it over here, right?
Mm.
Suppose if you have not assigned a profit center, again I repeat, suppose you do not assign a profit center, by default it will go to a dummy profit center.
Okay.
Okay, that functionality, this dummy profits functionality, we use it only in classical ledger. If new GL is active, this functionality goes weak. You cannot use this anymore. Okay.
But even if you have not created dummy profit center, it used to go automatically. Like you have not created, no? You have.
No, you have to assign here compulsory then. Hello.
Dummy also you have to assign, right?
No, dummy I'm not assigning. This used to create in classical ledger.
Yeah, but even in that case, it used to go automatically.
Dummy profit center in case of new GL.
Mm.
Okay.
No, that I understand in new GL, but like you have not given it there, and at that point we didn't know whether we are going for new GL or not. So it would take like a classical ledger only, right? It's only now that you're defining in new GL. So
no, we were on new GL only, but at that particular juncture we did not cover profit center, so I did not assign it over there.
Okay.
Okay.
So classical ledger is not, we are already on new GL or what? I mean, in the sense that when we are defining all the other settings, right? When new GL we only started like a couple of days back. That's when we started defining all those aspects of new GL.
No.
Before that,
we were
the system would
on new GL. From the day one we were on new GL. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The day one when we started our settings, I did not deactivate. Okay. Usually how they do it is they deactivate and they train. So I did not deactivate. There, remember in document splitting we got an error. Then I told you, just like a layman, note it down. Okay. Usually when that error comes, people try to deactivate and then they will set up another company code and try to show you the new GL. Okay. So what I did was, I ran in the new GL only, but it did not show you the effect of the new GL, what is happening behind.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So
now
we did
I'm
everything on
show
new
you. So actually, if you still remember, I'm not doing the entire configuration and doing the testing. So I'm going step by step and then I'm doing like this, but it will not happen in the real time this way. Okay.
Yeah, of course, it won't happen.
Yeah.
But in new GL, like how to switch it on or something, like where is
I
where
showed you
is that thing? Okay, this one was always active for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, one, and one more thing what you can do is remember that error document splitting was coming, right? Hello? That error, if you do not want that error to come, okay, you don't want to use document splitting also, right? If you deactivate it, you should not ask new GL also, but I'm showing you the document splitting also part. Here, can you see activate document splitting? What was the company code?
J700.
100. If you select this, it will become inactive.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Not
did not
selected
select
also.
it.
Yeah, it's active.
So what many people let's see, JN13 he selected it. MM01 they selected it. Can you see here? People who are practicing. Okay. Services logistics, somebody he has deactivated.
So what will be the impact if we select this, then like the way we have been doing things, that what would have changed? We would would we have noticed any difference?
I'll show you the difference, what was happening and impact now. Okay.
Okay.
Karthik,
Okay.
I did not show you at that particular juncture, so let me show you. Okay.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Okay.
Yeah. I hope you got my point, what I'm trying to tell you. Right.
I'm just trying to figure out what changed. Yeah.
So I'll show you that. Okay. Let me define the profit center. Create profit center. I'm defining the profit center as Indica. Okay. Whatever you can define. Indica. Department sales. I'm putting in sedan, man. This is called as something I forgot actually. Sedan. This comes under passenger. I don't know what they call it. MFG. Okay. Hello. J MFG. Clear, segment is assigned under profit center.
Yeah.
So what is the status over here? Inactive. Click on this. What is the status now?
Active.
Yeah? Back. I'll create one more. Safari. Service.
But JMFG only, right? Segment, like when you take the segment, you don't have to take a different segment, right, for this?
It's my wish, man. For Safari, I'm using it for one service, one manufacturing, whatever you can take. Hello?
Okay.
Because you have two, na? Tata is into two. If the automobile company is there, it does manufacture and do the service also, right? So I'm taking that way. Two. Okay. Now you can have n number of company codes also. This is assigned to this particular company code only, right? Okay. Okay. Back. Now I want to assign this profit center to the cost center, what I've seen it, right? See here. What did I define? Indica, right? Right?
Yeah.
See here.
Yeah.
What did it say? once the data is posted to the cost centers, you cannot assign the profit center. Clear?
Hmm.
Clear, not clear?
It is saying some complicated tests of data involved.
No,
So
you
will it
cannot.
do or not?
No, you cannot. You cannot.
Not
Can you
permitted.
see here? So it will not allow you. So let's create. So let's say I'll create one more, 11. Enter. I'll do the copy now. It'll be better. 11. Correct? Save it. Please make it a note. Production department 11. Indica, like this, you make it a note like this way. Production department 11, because at the time of the testing you should be clear. This is my cost center. Under this cost center I have Indica. Under Indica I have given the manufacturing JMFG, right?
Hmm.
So similarly I'll define one more like this. So production department 12, okay. I'll define, we have Safari, right? You already have, right? Safari. Under this I'll say service. This is cost center. This is profit center. And this is segment. I save it. 1 second. Okay. So I'll create one more. 12. 12. 12. Safari. Right? Clear till here? Hello?
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So I have set up the profit center and the segment also. Clear? Now let's go to the document splitting. What is this document splitting is? Then we'll finally do the individual testing on all those things, whatever it is individual testing. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay, let's. So document splitting, basically we use it for splitting the document. Split according to the proportion of the account. Let's see. document splitting. So it is like this. Let me put this. Splitting understand this, otherwise you'll not understand at the time of the testing, I'm telling you. To the proportion of the account assignment, which can be either expense or revenue or sometimes your balance sheet items also. Phrase getting clearer or no? Hello? This account assignment can be a profit center, it can be your cost center, it can be your segment, it can be your business area. Hello? Confused?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now tell me, man, like this. I'm just asking like this. I'm purchasing something, let's say, purchases. Oh, 1 second. Just asking you, purchase A, purchase B to vendor, right? 100, 100, 200. Is the entry correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jayaprada, clear? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hundred, 100. Clear? This entry is clear, right?
Yes.
This one also?
Yes.
What is the difference, man? Karthik, that entry and this entry?
Maybe in that case, purchase by a single vendor.
Yeah.
So what you are trying to achieve? You're splitting, right? You're splitting right over here. This is what I'll try to achieve, splitting over here. Why I want to split this is in order to get the, what will happen? Suppose I have assigned here, let's say I have assigned one different profit center over here. Profit center A, and I have assigned here profit center B. No, I'll come back with the example. Till here clear?
Yeah.
Splitting, I'm doing a split. Okay. So what did I say? Proportional of the account, either it can be expense on the base of expense is splitting, or either it can be based on revenue or balance sheet item. Clear till here?
But here you are splitting balance sheet item only, right? You are splitting vendor. Purchases
No,
anyways
on
is
the
split.
top you see, based on the expense I'm splitting the balance sheet, correct, but based on what?
Okay.
Based on this expense, that is what, look at the base, on what base I'm splitting.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you one example on that. I don't want to give right over here. Now I'll give, okay, in this I'll give you. You'll get a clear picture now. So there are 3 types of document splitting. Okay. 3 types.
Okay.
One is active, one is passive, one is zero balance. I'll spend some good time on this. Active splitting. What is this active? Active. Now in case of an active splitting, it happens at the time of posting. At the time of posting. Hello?
Yeah.
It needs a config. We need to do configuration for this. Example. Okay, what's this? Same thing, I'm giving you an example again. 31 payable. Credit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 40.
40.
Let's say some expense. Expense. So amount say 100, 40, 60.
60.
I'll post like this. Okay. I'll be posting like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So what will happen? So here it will split like this: 40, 60. You have your expenses here. 40, 60. Cost center A, cost center B. This is active. I'll post like this. The system will do like this.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
The system will do like this. I don't do anything.
Based on the config.
Config. Okay.
Means automatically it is done.
Yeah. Timing look like this. How it reflects in the reporting, then I'll show you over there also. One, active. Okay. Now let's see passive. Now at the time of the
Then every time we need to change the config, I think.
no,
Because
you don't need to.
okay.
Now I am coming to the passive part. Passive is basically at the reporting time. Okay. Payables, clearing, 25, right? Clearing, debit. Hello?
Yeah.
Payable. This is going from bank, right? 15, 50. Let's say 100. Bank for 95. Discounted. Okay. Discount. Bank. Correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here you see how it splits. For this, no config. It does automatic. Okay. So 50, bank, split area 25, 25, payable, 50, 50, cash, discount, discount. So let's split this 2:3. Alright. Payable should be same. 40, 60. One will go remove 38 and one from that 60 means 57. 3 now, so 57, right? Correct. Here 2, 3 minus. This is how it will split, man. Getting this? Hello? Why I am splitting? Able to understand now?
Yeah. We split between payables, no?
Why I am splitting? Because I can have a true financial position, right? If I split only, rather than I will have 100 on the payables, right? In the data, I will not have, if I want to generate report as 40 and 60, right? Individual level.
But this passive means without configuration, how will it split?
No, that is how the system is set up. I'll show you at the time of that. Configuration we are not yet into. Understand the fact what is active and passive. That configuration we will see. Understand the logic of document splitting. Configuration part, Jayaprada will get into it. There I'll show you clicking, removing and all that I'll show you.
What is the difference? Like in passive also the same thing is happening, right?
But this is at the time of the clearing. That is at the time of the posting.
Okay.
Okay.
So this will not happen at the time of posting at all. Passive.
Passive is not posting, at the time of the clearing. Discount, when will you get discount?
No. I'm asking. It will never happen at the time of posting, right? It can only happen at the time of clearing.
At the time of the posting means that is active.
Okay.
Okay. 3 times. That's why I have divided. Now what is one more is zero balance. Okay, now what is the zero balance? Wherever there is a mismatch between the account assignments, like for example, let's say petty cash book, right? We have petty cash book, right? So the cash is coming in, right, from petty cash. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From bank, right? So I'm giving here profit center A, I'm giving here profit center B. So there is a mismatch, right? Hello? So profit center A is having a debit balance. Profit center B is having a credit balance, right?
Hmm.
So whenever there is a mismatch, in this what will happen? A zero balance clearing will come into picture. Okay? Not clear? Hello?
Yeah. I mean, this one is not very clear.
This is 100. This is 100. Right? My debit is equal to credit, right?
Hmm.
Now suppose if you are trying to pull a report for the profit center A, can I get the reporting when? Hello? If it is having a debit balance. Forget about the GL level. We are trying to pull the reports below to this level, below this. So what will happen? So how it will generate is Control C, Control V, okay? Control C, Control V. Okay, for this credit, you will have here debit, zero balance, profit center B, 100. Okay, then you have here credit, okay, credit zero balance, profit center A. Watch profit center. Getting it? Hello?
So everywhere this will happen, no? Everywhere then zero balance will come in.
Wherever there is a mismatch, only at the time of mismatch like this. If you're taking same, there is no, it will not come, no? You're booking to the same profit center, right? Debit and credit is going, right? Both is going, right? See, 100, 100. But if there is a mismatch only, it should generate.
Okay.
Okay?
So in above cases, like we did not take profit center, but if we were taking profit center, there also if we are taken different profit center, then it will create a mismatch.
You will get, definitely you will get. You will get. Hello?
So like in the case of expenses, you are showing that control A, like in the first case, in the active one, on the right side, you are showing that it is going to A and B, right? So I'm assuming A will go to, A will go to a different profit center, B goes to a different profit center.
Yes.
So it will create a zero balance.
Actually, I wanted to show you over here that part. You got my point. First, I wanted to show you the split with the common center. Then I want to show it over there.
Okay.
Then I want to bring it over here. So let's see this configuration, right? Then we'll test this. Okay? Now you remember this. What all settings we have done last time. You will recollect now. Now I'm coming to the technical side of it. Classify GL accounts for document splitting. We did, remember? Hello?
Yeah.
I told you just like a layman, noted down this one. Hello?
Yeah.
Jayaprada, remember?
Yes. Yeah.
Belongs to balance sheet, assets, revenue, expenses, right? What are these? What is this? Item category. Note it down. The word item category. Your item category is linked to your GL accounts. right?
Yeah.
Item category linked to GL, right? Yeah. Okay. Define document splitting method. First, see here. I'm trying to show you now the configuration. Jayaprada, what you were asking.
Yeah.
Okay. The technical side which I'm showing. Define document splitting method. This is the default method what we use. Standard this is. Hello?
Yeah.
12.
This is the standard method which we use. Just like a variant man. Nothing is there in that. You can create your own also. Nothing. Hello? Just the standard, like a variant. Okay, this 000. Define document splitting rule. What sound is that, man? Like a pressure cooker. Okay. Go here. Okay. What was our method? Hello?
12. 12.
12. Now this
Yeah.
to this 12 method is linked to your, here can you see here? Transaction and variance here, this one. Business transaction and your variance here. Correct, Karthik?
Yeah.
Okay, see here. So your document splitting rule, whatever you have defined, linked to business transaction and variance. Agree? Till here. Right?
Yeah.
I click on this item categories. Can you see these item categories? Yeah? Hello?
Yeah.
Let's take this. All these item categories are linked to here, see, categories. Base categories. Did we not selected this to the GLs, this category same? Hello, expenses 20,000, 30,000. I'll go back again to the GL to show you that. See, 20,000, 30,000, 7,000, can you see here?
Yeah.
So again I'll come back to that rule. This is the only important setting man over here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your splitting rule consists of a business transaction and variant. That combination is assigned to an item category. Okay. Like for example, let's see here. This item category. Okay. Deleted this. Item categories. Your item category specifies what all your base is. Based on that, you will link it to your base categories. Okay.
For each item category there is a base category, right?
Yes.
Base item
So
category.
see here. Now what is this item category? You need to understand this. This item categories. Splitting method is over here. Your item category is something which tells you what is that you are trying to split. Okay, splitting rule. Okay, item category to split, to be split. Vendor. Remember what is the target of the split? This is telling you what is the target. Hello.
Yeah.
Target of the split. See, for example, vendor invoice. Let me take vendor invoice. So in the vendor invoice, what are the things I want to split? Okay. What are the things? Item category, this one. So your document split which consists link to a business transaction and variant. This is the logic. Okay. Splitting rule. This is a splitting rule, right? This business transaction and variant is linked to what, Karthik?
Linked to item category.
Right? This is linked to item category. This item category will tell you what is the target of the split. Vendor, right? Right now we selected, right? Vendor. See vendor. This vendor will select base category. Okay. Base item category. What is the source from where it should split? Should pick up the source, right? Remember in our case it was expense.
Yeah.
So target is vendor. In our case over here I am putting vendor is splitting based on what? That is your base item category. Your item category is linked to
Base item category.
This will tell you what is the source of split. Clear till here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
repeat again. A splitting method is nothing but a variant.
Right.
Okay. This splitting method is associated with a splitting rule, which is your business transaction and variant. Right? This rule is connected to an item category, which tell you what you want to split. Vendor, customer, what is that you want to split? Target. That split should happen based on something, right? It won't split just like that. Right? Over here. This split is happening based on what? Based on these expenses. That is how it's splitting. So what is the base item category? That's what it says. This business transaction and variant is linked to document type. Okay, I'll show you. Can you see this? For vendor it is what? Business transaction 300,001, right? Over here see. Right?
Yeah.
Back. Yeah, I go here. Define classified document types. AR. Got it? Link to document type.
Yeah.
Clear? So this is how the linking will happen. Okay. So here, if you see here,
so when we define the item category initially, that is, that link to GL that we are creating, that item category then gets assigned to a company code also, right? That's what you did earlier.
Linking, you should see the link, how it is going.
No, so that step you had performed earlier itself. Like
yeah,
the one
in the
that
start I have given, directly I have given that, right. No, you cannot define transactions. You can define a business transaction, but you cannot define a variant. Hello? Karthik, here.
Yeah.
This is there now, this business transactions. You can define your own business transactions, but variant you cannot define.
Okay.
Here, define business transaction variants here. You can define your own business transaction. 1 second. Okay. All right. Clear, Karthik?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So should we do the testing now? So classify GL account is done. Only zero balancing one I need to assign it, right? Here. Let me do that also. Hey, ever you happen to have a conversation with the Sardar, man?
Yeah. Many times.
I don't know, man, how to handle these people. It's very difficult. Okay, zero balance clearing. You can create wherever you want. Hello.
Yeah.
Here, zero balance clearing. 000 J700. What is the account we created? 60, right? 60. Save it. Back. I go here. Define document splitting characteristics for general ledger. Here. Splitting should happen based on profit center. I've selected. See here. Okay. Whenever there is a mismatch, it will happen only for profit center. You want for business area, you can do. Here you can select at what level you want to see. Hello. Okay. If you make a mandatory field, means it's like compulsory. It will not allow you to go unless and until you fill the field of profit center. Okay, it's like a mandatory. Okay, let us test one by one. First, we'll test active split.
That is at the time of creation of
Mismatch.
invoice. You are saying?
Yeah.
No, where it will not allow you to go. Like you are saying, mandatorily it will ask where.
At the time of invoicing, when we enter, it will become a mandatory.
Right, invoicing only, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Let us test this now one by one. F-43. Vendor. I think you will have lot many Sardars in Delhi, right, man?
Yeah, so I have seen intelligent ones also.
I don't know, man. I'm fed up with these people actually. Just because of their, what do you call that, stature, they think, I don't know what they think about. So we will give, let's say 10,000. Okay. Karthik.
Yeah.
So lubricant.
Purchases, huh?
Some lubricant or something. Some expense I'm giving. Purchase
Okay.
not a
Stationery.
cost element, na? Okay. Lubricant. 5,000. Production department 11, right?
11.
Again I say 40. 406,000. Enter. 5,000. Production department 12. Enter. Document simulate. Clear entry clear? This entry is clear, right? Till here? Hello?
Yeah, but you're not giving profit center.
Profit center picks up how? Tell me now. Karthik.
Oh,
Through?
yeah. Based on the
Through?
the
Cost center. We assigned it in the cost center.
yeah. based on the cost information.
Simulate general ledger. Okay. Five thousand.
Simulation.
No, but my profit center and Indica.
Profit center is already different here, then it will generate that
One second.
zero balance.
Document splitting itself is not showing here. What funny is this one? One second.
Jayaprada, hi. Hello.
Yes, got it.
Can you share yesterday's video?
That file, sorry, I couldn't reply you. That means yesterday I was a little busy. But that file is in different mode. I'll check today again. Means I can only share if that file is in WMB or that mode. Means I'll check today, then I'll share. Okay.
Okay. You can send it, right? You can look at it today.
Yeah, today I'll check.
Hey, Kadir, we can't hear you.
Hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Here I did not select it. Activate document splitting. Here, man. Okay.
Oh, this was not selected. Somewhere else you were ticking, no, right now, just before this.
Here.
No,
Moment I
before
select
this
it,
one.
before
Inheritance
this
or
one.
something you were
No.
clicking
I went there.
develop.
I went over here in assignment. Now you see here automatically it has come. I'm not able to activate here. It is not allowing me to do it here. So I have to do it here. I'll do it again. Hello.
Yeah.
Karthik, I'm doing it again. See, I'm doing this. Nothing is there, right? See, I was trying to do it over here.
Okay.
Activation. So here it is not allowing. It is telling me to do it here. Clear now? Hello.
Okay.
Then if you see there, you'll get over here. So what happened? People who are teaching, they'll remove this, all this. Okay. Then what they'll do? They'll run the normal scenario. Then they'll do this last.
But it was removed only, right? For us also it was removed. We were just activated it.
But I did the configuration for classify GL account, but hello. I did it was throwing me an error, right? From my end. They'll do 2 to 3 things, man. They'll deactivate this and they're inactive at the document splitting. Inactive. I showed you a checkbox right over there. Okay, let me do it again now. Okay. Got it?
Now we can see.
Got it.
Yeah.
Now you're able to understand why it is splitting. Understand the concept first. The entry was expenses. Now you watch this. You'll get a clear idea now. We said what, whatever that expense was, right? Expenses to whatever that vendor is, right? I posted 10,000. So this was 5,000. This is 5,000. Right. Then we posted a cost center to it, right? Production 11, right? Production 12, right? Now you tell me, if I want to generate report based on this, can I get the report? When, see, from the financial statement perspective, if I want to generate a report, you should have both the debit and the credit balance, right? Hello?
Yes. Yeah.
So what this is doing, it is not only splitting this value, see here, what it is doing, it is splitting the value, right? Accounts payable, see, 5,000,
Yeah.
5,000, plus it is assigning this indica, see, debit and the credit. Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? Here?
But in this case, it will not kick in the zero.
Hold on.
This thing.
No, it will not come. I'll tell you why.
Yeah,
Clear till
profit
here?
center is different.
Profit center is different. Hold on. I'll tell you why. Okay.
Okay.
You want the zero balancing, right? I'll show you. Now you will tell. Clear till here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now he wants the zero balance. Let me show you. 1 second. I think we need to activate this also. 1 second. Triple zero. One second, I'm just testing at my end. What's the profit center?
Indica.
Indica. 50. Let me take some. Okay. Okay. So, in case of a zero balancing, from the $10,000 cost center level, it is not happening. Profit center level, it is happening. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pause this first. Okay.
Lubricant and power separately or taken?
I've taken two. Hello. Let
Yeah.
me tape this. Okay. I'm coming to that zero balancing, Karthik.
Yeah, yeah.
Because at the cost center level, it is not, it should do actually. But when I'm taking directly profit center, it is doing for me over there. Let me check. Hello.
Yeah.
F-53. $10,000. You got it. Zero balancing now. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Karthik.
Yeah.
Are you practicing these things?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Karthik, did you get this? Karthik, did you get this?
No, I'm trying to
Hello?
understand what happened. Yeah, I'm trying to
Zero
understand.
balancing is coming into picture only at the time of the clearing. Hello.
Hmm. Okay, so it's
Oh,
not happening
that,
at
yeah.
At the time of the invoicing. Clear?
invoicing, it's not happening, right?
No. Only at the time of the clearing is required. Correct, na?
Yes, that's why F-53 you have used, no?
53. Only at the time of
Yeah.
the clearing. The logic
So
over here
here,
is, Karthik,
hmm,
first
hmm,
logic is you should understand document splitting, keeping in mind for reporting. Then you will understand. Otherwise, it is more confusing. Document splitting, basically I'm splitting for the reporting purpose. If I do not split the document, what is happening is that entire 10,000 will be shown under one part. Okay. Okay. Only when I split, then I can have the true financial reporting of it. Otherwise, the 10,000 will be shown under one particular part only, right?
hmm.
Under one head. So when it's split, I can have it based on that, right? Similarly,
Right.
at the time of the clearing, when there is a mismatch between the account assignment, that zero balance clearing is coming in.
Hmm.
Clear?
So, but when you were creating it also, there was a mismatch, no? That it will not take.
No, at that time, what is doing is it is keeping to the exact cost centers. Na? Whatever the cost centers were there, to those cost centers it is giving.
Hmm.
1 second. In FB03, what was the document number? Man? Sorry. right? This we posted, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Now if you see here, this, now you tell me this 5,000, this 5,000, right? This is coming, right? This 10,000 is going to where? To my payables, right?
Yeah.
Okay, see, watch here. Now what it is showing, payables 5,000, 5,000 separate. 5,000 belonging to Indica, 5,000 belonging to Safari, right? Otherwise what was happening in earlier case, before without new GL, when we were doing, entire 10,000 was showing
Yeah.
under one aspect. Now I can have the reporting on Safari, I can have the reporting on Indica also, right? Because I'm having the debit balance, credit balance, debit balance, credit balance. This is what does the splitting does. Now what is the requirement of zero balancing here, you tell me?
Yeah, here it is not required. Then at the time of clearing, what happened? At the time of clearing, you had accounts payable to
I'm coming
bank.
to it. I'm coming to it. This is clear, right? Let me post that and then I'll show you. Clear? This is clear, right? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah, it
yes.
is clear.
If this is not clear, then that will not clear then. Okay, now let me save this. Save. Display. Okay, this is what we posted, right? See here. So what is happening? Bank account, payables, right? Now both the payables, if you see here, Indica is having 5,000. This is difference between these two. Then the zero balance is generating to nullify this entry. For this, and for this and this. Clear? Hello?
And it is generating one line for Safari and one it is generating to clear that zero balance.
Exactly.
Okay, so for reporting purposes, we will only see Indica, Safari, so that it will not, it will just show that, okay, you know, there is a 5,000, which is a zero balance.
Now let me show you the report. Remember yesterday we took that report, right? J700 we created, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we were trying to execute this report based on this GL. This is company code level, right? Hello? This is the right company code. Now I'll go back. Here, can you see the screen here? Dynamic selections. I'll select here. From here I'll select profit center. Let me see. Okay, here profit center level now we are using now. I'll click on this. Now I have profit center here. Here, can you see? Now tell me what profit center should we see? Indica?
Cost center also let aside, no?
Cost center level we have not selected na, for the this thing. Okay, we can see. Okay, let me execute.
Okay.
Correct? Getting reports based on this. Hello?
Applicant 5,000, zero balance sharing. 5,000. Okay.
Nullified, no man. We paid it and we cleared it, right?
Yeah. Right.
We raised the invoice, we cleared the invoice.
This is single side, that's why it is showing the other side, zero balance.
Right.
The clearing, I mean, you cleared it, that's why it is showing like this, right?
That's why it is showing like this. We cleared it. If
you
we
had
not
not
have cleared, then only lubricant would have shown amount. Now
Lubricant
you
and pay.
understood? Now you are trying to get
lubricant
the
and pay.
reports below company code level. This is below company code level. Your particular Indica, all those expenses you will add, right? Then you will sell also one time, right?
Right.
Then you can have profit also, right? That minus this you will get some profit also, right? Now you are adding only expenses now, Karthik.
This one you selected only this profit center report, this is only.
Yeah, profit center only. Now you are telling cost center, no? Let us see. I don't know whether because we selected profit center only now over there.
So profit center report, when it's showing you, why is it not showing you the other side? Like why is not showing the payable? Because you cleared it in this case. If you had not cleared it, then it would have shown payable also, right?
Yes, that's what I'm telling you, no? It should show you over there. But depending on the requirement, at what level you have checked the department level. See here. So let us remove that profit center. Okay. Yeah, you are having, man. You're getting, but the zero balance is not coming. See, profit center level, na, that is. Cost center means only expenditure, no? Hello. Now it shows 5,000 you owe. Balance. Kartik.
But in this case, when it's splitting, when it's taking the zero, okay, that time it's not taking the cost center. Otherwise, all the others are linked to cost center only, the
Right.
profit center.
Hmm.
So it is showing you only that. Now my question is, if you had only posted F-43, then it would have shown you payable also here, not expenditure
Not
alone.
at cost center level. At profit center level, it will show
Yeah,
you.
at profit center only I'm talking about.
At
So it
profit center, it will show you. Not at the cost center level, it will show you. Okay. So clear. Passive is clear. Passive at the time of the clearing, right? It took automatically, right?
Yeah,
And zero
passive
balance.
only created zero balance.
Yeah, passive created.
No, zero balance.
Yeah. No, both. Not only it has done the zero balancing, but also it has given you the passive part also, right? So tomorrow we'll meet up, man, and again we'll run active, passive, and zero balancing. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll take a last session. So with that we'll come to an end on that. If you have any issues or any doubts, let me know by tomorrow. Okay.
At what time? 7 or 8?
8. Aparna 8 o'clock, Gaji 8 o'clock, everyone over there. Same time 8 o'clock.
Okay, Khalid.
Enam
Thank
will
you,
be-
Khalid.
Huh?
Yeah, share the spreadsheet, Kadir, please.
Yeah, I'll share it, man. I'll share it.
Okay.
Thank you, Khalid.
Any documents also if you want to share them.
Let me check, man, on this. If I have, I'll share it on this.
New GL or
But you got the concept, right? Zero balancing.
yeah.
Basically for reporting, this is below company code level reporting in order to split the document based on the proportion, whatever expense revenue, so that the account assignment should have both the debit and the credit balance.
Every client uses it now.
Yeah, they use it, man. Nowadays they use it. If you know new GL, it will add on into your CV. This is actually I can get over in 1 hour. From last 3 days I'm taking on this new GL.
Yeah.
So again I'll repeat tomorrow again and then we'll finish it, get over into it. Okay? Alright. One more thing is functional area tomorrow I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you, Khalid. Okay. Bye, Khalid.